What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing my funded futures and take profit trader. Let's start with my funded futures. My funded futures is a US-based proprietary trading firm that gives you access to live futures accounts with real capital. There's no gimmicks and no hidden clauses. Their biggest value prop, they make getting funded fast, transparent, and affordable. From retail traders to full-time professionals, my funded futures markets itself as a firm built for traders by traders, offering a no BS approach to the prop firm industry. Some key features of my funded futures are their one-step evaluation, where you just pass one phase and you're funded. There's no multi-stage grind. There's no daily drawdown, only a trailing max drawdown that stops trailing once your balance hits the starting capital. There's fast payouts, where you can get paid as early as 7 calendar days after your first funded trade. There's real-time data where you're allowed to trade using Rithmic or NinjaTrader with low latency execution. They have account sizes where you can choose from 25,000, 50,000, 100,000, and even 250,000 funded accounts. There's a no consistency rule, so you're not penalized for trading larger on some days than others. And there's no time limits, so you can take as long as you need to pass the evaluation. In terms of their community and support, they have an active Discord group with fast response times and a growing social presence. And additionally, they have their leading affiliate program where you're able to earn 15% commission for any referrals that you bring in, which is actually higher than what most prop firms offer. Some pros and cons are their low-cost evaluations, where you can get started for under $100. There's zero pressure to rush, as there's no expiration dates on your challenge. They have a clear, trader-friendly rule with no hidden traps, no forced resets unless you actually hit a drawdown. There's a strong community and transparency, and the CEO and team regularly engages with the users. Overall, my funded futures is trusted by real traders with a 4.9 star rating on Trustpilot across hundreds of reviews. One user specifically said that they care about the trader, not just the money. Payout comes fast and smooth. However, some cons to consider. My funded futures is not a perfect prop firm. There are still a few potential drawbacks. Their trailing drawdown can still catch out traders that are not familiar with how it locks in losses. There's no overnight holds, meaning all trades must be closed by 4:10 p.m. CT. There's no resets, so if you fail, you must purchase a new evaluation. And there's limited product range, as my funded futures is entirely only for futures traders. There's no Forex, crypto, or stocks. So in conclusion, what is my funded futures best for? Or who is it best for? My funded futures is best for traders who want a no-nonsense futures prop firm that won't nickel and dime you. If you prefer a simple, fast route to capital without multiple evaluation steps, and if you already trade with NinjaTrader, TradeOvate, or Rithmic, and you want a low-cost access to funding, or if you want full control over how and when they pass the challenge without any artificial pressure. If you're confident in your edge and want a firm that's aligned with the trader's mindset, my funded futures is a top-tier choice. Well, next up is Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is a futures prop firm that pitches itself as a single-stage evaluation, instant funded accounts, as well as day one payouts. They highlight their fast qualification, as well as zero wait on withdrawals, and a focus on trading discipline. Take Profit Trader packs in several compelling features, such as their one-step evaluation, hit profit, and risk targets, and what you're funded. There's no multi-stage gauntlets. Their day one payouts, where you can withdraw profits immediately after passing with no holding period. that they do have shadow account resets, which you get up to 3 resets if you fail, unlike firms that force you to buy again. They follow a monthly subscription model of about $150 to $360 per month, based on the account size, of course, with a one-time fee of $130 for activation. In terms of their profit splits, they have a 80-20 with Pro, and if you upgrade to Pro Plus, they go for a 90-10 split. In terms of the platform freedom, they support about 30 plus platforms via CQG, Rhythmic, NinjaTrader, Trade08, and as well as TradingView. They have strict trading rules, such being daily drawdown limits, trailing EOD drawdowns, no overnight positions, no bots, and a max one-day profit cap to enforce discipline. They feature their educational playbook. They do feature their educational playbook called the 3 Secrets Guide, offering tips to avoid common pitfalls like insufficient buffer and over leveraging, as well as their affiliate program with tiers giving 10 to 25% commissions with free evaluations for their top achievers. Some of the pros are, well, we can point out that some of the pros are their instant withdrawals, where funded traders can take profit from day one, which is actually a rare feature in a lot of prop firms. They have high platform flexibility, a wide range of broker integrations that reduce overall tech friction. They do have resets included, which means you're allowed upwards to 3 attempts without an extra cost. Your customer support claims to live support 24 hours a day, 5 days a week via chat without a ticket system. They have strong social proof on Trustpilot that shows 4.3 stars out of 5 with praise for their quick payouts and professionalism. In terms of the expertise materials, they do feature their Take Profit guidebook or playbook that reveals that bigger accounts can be easier to pass, which is a valuable insight. Some cons to consider, but some warning flags are worth noting. They do have a pretty low success rate, with only about 16 to 20% passing the evaluation, so the odds aren't that great. They have high cost, monthly fees that go upwards of $130 for just the activation. And the subscription fee can rack up quickly if you're not passing fast enough. They do have strict intraday rules, meaning no overnight holds, max one-day profit caps, and tight drawdowns, which can be punishing. And they have a simulated until pro, meaning until you're funded, you're on a simulated account. Executions may defer. Overall, they do have a mixed user feedback on websites like Reddit. Redditors alleged payout issues on account liquidation before their withdrawal. Some say that the company is not legit. I was profitable, but I couldn't withdraw the money. You can only lose 800, and you can't withdraw until you hit the buffer, according to Reddit. Support gaps say elite traders noted that they do have a lack of responses to inquiries despite showing positive Trustpilot reviews. So overall, Take Profit Trader is best suited for disciplined, experienced day traders who can navigate tight drawdowns and intraday rules. Those with platform variety preferences, if you use NinjaTrader, TradingView, or Trade08, you're covered. Traders with sufficient budgets and patience and that are ready for a $150 to $360 per month subscription investment. All right, let's wrap it up with a quick side-by-side. My Funded Futures gives you a one-step evaluation, no recurring fees, and funding that's fast and simple. You only pay once, and you can get your first payout after 7 days. The rules are light. No daily drawdowns, no time limits, and you trade using Rhythmic or NinjaTrader. It's ideal if you want a low-cost, straightforward path to a funded futures account. Take Profit Trader, on the other hand, has a one-step eval too, but it's subscription-based. You'll pay between $150 to $360 a month, plus a one-time activation fee. What do you get in return? Day one payouts after you're funded, support for over 30 trading platforms, and up to 3 free resets. But the rules are stricter. Daily drawdowns, no overnight holds, and a max daily profit cap. That said, if you're a disciplined trader who thrives under structure, it might be worth it. So which one should you choose? If you're looking for a low barrier entry point, no time pressure, and simple rules, go with my funded futures. But if you're okay with tighter restrictions, higher costs, and want immediate payout access with platform freedom, then Take Profit Trader could be the better fit. Both firms offer real opportunities. It all comes down to how you trade and what matters most to you.